In order to build our English vocabulary, we have started the series A Word a Day Keeps the Fear of English Away. With this aim, we have started it, but sometimes, due to some other priorities, I am unable to upload one word every day, and to compensate it, sometimes I will be uploading more than one words so that all my viewers and students, you have to adjust with that. Now today the word is, first word is zen, Z-E-N. Now zen means what? He or she is the person who is not disturbed by any stressful situation. He is calm and quiet, or she is completely calm and quiet even if the situation is very stressful. झेन म्हणजे अशी व्यक्ती की स्ट्रेसफुल सिच्युएशनमध्ये, खूप तणावपूर्ण स्थिती जरी असली, घाबरण्याची किंवा भीतीची जरी परिस्थिती असली, तरी पण अशी व्यक्ति अतिशय शांत असते. अशा व्यक्तिला ज़ेन म्हणतात. ज़ेन मतलब ऐसी व्यक्ति कि जो तनावपूर्ण स्थिति में भी बिल्कुल शांत रहता है, उसका तनावपूर्ण स्थिति का उसके ऊपर कोई विशेष प्रभाव नहीं पड़ता. For example, there are so many professionals who handle so many responsibilities in their daily life, but even if there is a stressful life, they are a kind of complete zen. Complete zen means they do not carry extra pressure. So zen is the first word of today's series. Number 2, stop and smell the roses. Now stop and smell the roses means what? We every day we run from pillar to post to earn our daily bread and butter. In this competitive world, we are in a such a hurry that we don't enjoy the things that are happening around us. So stop and smell the roses means what? You have to simply relax and enjoy every moment, present moment, and enjoy the things that are around you. So everyone, those who are running from one post to another post to earn their daily bread and butter, they have to simply relax and enjoy every moment. And if you are doing it, means you are stopping and smelling the roses. Stop and smell the rose means, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आप लोगों को जितनी भी चाहे जल्दबाजी हो, आपके अराउंड जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं उनका आस्वाद लेना है. जितने भी मोमेंट्स हैं आपके सामने, जितने भी क्षण है, उनको भी आपने एन्जॉय करना है. तब जाके आप स्टॉपिंग अँड स्मेलिंग द रोजेस का काम करोगे. स्टॉप आणि स्मेल द रोजचा अर्थ असा होतो की तुम्ही रिलॅक्स थांबा एका ठिकाणी आणि एन्जॉय करा तुमच्या आजूबाजूला ज्या पण वस्तू आहेत किंवा जो क्षण आहे तुमच्याजवळ आत्ता हातात, त्याचा पण तुम्ही एन्जॉय करायचा आहे. दॅट इज कॉल्ड स्टॉप अँड स्मेल द रोजेस. हॅपी लर्निंग.